Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find connection settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile here, and now here you would find connections. Click on it, and that's it. As you see, that's how to find connection settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.